Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn how to make sentences from the words. So let's start. Number 1. Tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Number 2. Bus. I go to school by bus. Number 3. Sky. The color of sky is blue. Number 4. Family. I have a joint family. Number 5. Go. I go to market. Number 6. Ride. They ride their bike. Number 7. Fly. We fly kite daily. Number 8. Read. I read a book every week. Number 9. Daily. It rains daily. Number 10. Teach. He is teaching English. Number 11. Song. He sings a song. He sings a song. Number 12. Shine. The stars shine at night. Number 13. Take. We take tea in the morning. Number 14. Drink. He drinks water at night. Number 15. Sun. The sun is very hot. Number 16. Forest. The lion lives in the forest.